If you have a problem with jealousy and it makes your life like hell in a relationship, this video will help you out so much. So you don't know how to control your jealousy, and the more jealous you are, the more you push your partner away in the relationship. So the very thing that you use to control the relationship and make sure no other person comes in is the thing that makes you end the relationship. So the important thing to understand is, why are you doing that? And there's 3 reasons for that. Your experiences, the way you coped with those experiences, and your brain. So either you had a traumatic experience in a relationship or in your childhood that made you uneasy. Then, to cope with those things, you told your brain, okay brain, these are the things we need to look out for. We can't have them happening again because they made us feel a way that we never want to feel again. And your brain, because it's your best friend, is like, I got you. I'm gonna look out for all the red flags and all the crazy things that could go wrong. And your brain is now not only giving you reality, it's on the look for every little sign, every too short sent text message, every Instagram post caption, every changing emotional behavior from the other person. Which, if you guys remember, energy and emotion will always shift. But your brain doesn't care, because it wants to help you. It is your best friend. And so now you, identified with all the thoughts in the brain, go crazy. Check your partner's phone, text your partner at crazy times, try to get reassurance, which all of these things make your partner lose oxygen. He's like, this is too much. So now you're pushing him away. The very thing you wanted to avoid with the jealousy makes happen. So since we have that covered very entertainingly, now the question is, how are we getting out of it? Well, you trained your brain a certain way. We have to retrain it to become a healthy individual in a relationship. The brain right now is on crazy alert. It gives you crazy emotions and thoughts just for you to react. Because it's like, if you react, we are protected. So now this is where the fun comes in. Next time you have the urge to send out that reassurance text message, and your brain tells you, you gotta make sure that he still loves you, send it. You can't do that compulsion. Now your brain freaks out. It will give you any types of thoughts, urges, emotions, and lawyer-like discussions for you to send that text and protect yourself. If you don't do it and go back to whatever you're doing in the moment and are okay with any emotions, on some point your brain will be like, wait a second, I don't think this issue is important to her anymore. Everyone, we need to stop sending jealousy. And that's how you do it. You're welcome.